Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and removing the batteries so nothing shorts while you work. Once done, peel the adhesive label behind the battery pack to expose the hidden torque screw. Remove the 4 outer screws with a T8 driver. You will also need a small Phillips for trigger covers, so set both nearby. Make sure to keep screws labeled on a mat or tape. This avoids mixing similar lengths later and prevents reassembly errors. Once screws are out, gently wedge plastic picks into the seam and work around. You want to separate clips without cracking the shell. After the halves open, don't yank components. Locate and disconnect ribbon cables and the small ZIF connectors for the battery and paddles. Lift the circuit board by the edges. Once free, remove sticks and trigger assemblies by unsnapping retainers. Doing this slowly prevents broken tabs and preserves flex cables, so you can reassemble cleanly. You'll finish by cleaning contacts and button faces with 90% plus isopropyl and a swab, letting everything dry completely so no residue remains. Then reseat springs, buttons, analog sticks, and snap the circuit board back in place, making sure ribbon cables are fully inserted and locked. Once assembled loosely, insert batteries and power on to test all inputs. If a button is unresponsive, reopen and check spring orientation and cable seating. This is the single most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.